The iPhone lock screen got a total makeover in iOS 16. Released in June, the WWDC conference announced some seriously impressive upgrades to the unlocking experience that we've all grown to love over the past decade. Apple's VP of Design, Alan Dye, was interviewed by Tech Radar about the new lock screen, and he had to say this: changing the lock screen is a risky business, trying to find the perfect balance between keeping our iconic branding and giving users the freedom to personalize. But we are up for a challenge. The classic sliding lock screen is a staple of Apple's software and is known for its simplicity and elegance. To strike this balance, Apple kept this trusty digital clock in its usual spot, but now users can play around with the font and add their own widgets. And get this, the lock screen now has a magazine-like feel, all thanks to the Neuro engine that can recognize faces in photos and overlay them above the clock. As for widgets, users can now place them on the lock screen, but Apple's got strict control over their order and style. And don't worry, notifications from your apps are pushed to the bottom, so you don't have to reach to the top of the screen to see them. In short, the new lock screen is more personalized, more stylish, and just all around more fun. I hope this tip was helpful. Don't forget to visit our website at void.com. This is San, you were watching UX Tips at Void. See you in the next video.